Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In Windows 11, if you are facing system errors, file corruption or stability issues, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you one simple command that can fix all of these problems. So let's start the process. First thing, open the command prompt, run it as administrator. Here, you have to type the following command. I will just paste over there and hit enter. So my Windows image is 5074 and it's going to upgrade to 7171. So the operation is completed successfully and now our Windows image is 10.0.26200.7171. So to verify the image, we will run a command winver and here you can see the new build. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share your thoughts in comments below. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.